Okay, this is some crazy shit. This is some crazy shit, guys. You know, I'm trying to bring my dog to the park, but she is just a fucking lunatic. Look at this one. This one's a good girl. This one's my girl. She's a good girl. But my wife's dog,
My doggy is good.
you know what I'm saying? No control. Completely, totally spoiled. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. She doesn't want the medicine. She doesn't want the love medicine. She doesn't want the love medicine. Oh, you vicious beast. You vicious beast. You vicious beast.